Is filling a new space in St. Anne as True Fun Play recently opened its indoor play and party zone, redefining fun for families. Deirdre Thomas tells us more.
The sound of tiny feet pattering the floor and bursts of giggles echoing through the colorful walls of True Fun Play, St. Anne's newest indoor and inclusive play and party zone.
True Fun Play was inspired by my daughter Truva. She's 2 years old today, great, and she loves to be outdoor, super active.
From toddlers taking their first wobbly steps to teens exploring and climbing structures, this space is designed so that everyone can play, explore, and celebrate safely.
Upstairs is for children age 8 and above, 8 to 14, or adults who are above 14 and under 120 pounds. Here you have slides, bigger obstacle courses. It's like a workout. You keep active. There's also trampolines as well on this level. And trust me, there's so much to do. Swings, a little mini zip line. You can't be bored.
However, getting True Fun Play off the ground wasn't child's play. Owner Kimona Mary says it took a multi-million-dollar leap of faith to turn this dream into reality.
I had many challenges, but the biggest of all was Hurricane Melissa. When Hurricane Melissa came, I got to a point where I was thinking, oh my God, why now? With a lot of things on pause, a lot of things not happening anymore, a lot of major companies not doing any new installations because they're focusing on rebuilding Jamaica. I must say that was one of my biggest challenge. Other challenge will include suppliers, getting the right quality stuff, getting the container here, getting it cleared with all the rush from supplies coming in from the hurricane. I would say my biggest challenge was the passing of Hurricane Melissa.
For families on the move, the space is a safe landing zone where kids can play while parents explore nearby attractions.
During the week, the tourists are on vacation. When they come on the cruise ship, the parents want to go to Dunn's River or go zip lining. You know, those attractions have an age limit. They can leave the children here, go and explore and return for them. So yes, I do see it as a product for tourists as much as it is for locals.
To support and encourage all the fun and laughter is a staff complement of 3.
We had over 200 resumes for the different positions and we only needed about 10 people. Now we scoured, keep scouring for days and weeks in order to choose the perfect team. We look for persons with background with children.
But for Miss Myrie, her dream goal is however bigger than just fun.
I'm definitely looking forward to opening our 24-hour daycare, which will be True Fun Care. That is an extension to True Fun Play. So when the parents come here, they can utilize having their children stay here where they play, they work, learn, sleep, basically everything for children. We're also planning on extending to Kingston and Montego Bay in the coming year.
For the Business Review, I'm Deirdre Thomas.